Sean from Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. I just started the drain cycle right now. So like I think the soap cup maybe triggered or... Okay, so we just saw the dishwasher fail. When you start it up, normally it runs for a few minutes and then immediately it just falls into a cancel drain and does a cancel drain cycle as if you selected it. So I'm going to get to the paperwork to see if there's any kind of information that says that maybe that's a fault or failure or something. So we got our little locking tabs that you turn halfway and then they'll pull out. Get them out and then our panel should come out and there's our paperwork. Pull them both out because we need to find the English. Not English. Nothing to be intimidated by. Alright, I'm going to put it in the diagnostic mode. To do that, I got to hit 3 keys, same 3 keys, 3 times in the same order to enter it. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now it's in the diagnostic mode. Now what I'm watching is the clean light. And if it's going to blink at me, it'll give me the error codes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a pause. And then 1. And we're going to double check it again, make sure it should do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. Alright, so we'll make sure it's the same. It's obviously I miscounted no other times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Alright, so 6, 1. Now it's on constantly, so it's done with the error codes. So now I'm going to take that information and I'm going to find out what 6-1 means. Well, here we go. It makes exact sense. Now it's starting the test mode for us. For our error 6-1, so we found here it says 6 inlet water, and this is number 1. It says low, no water, mechanical problem. So basically it can mean no water to the dishwasher. It says bowls or pots loaded or flipped upside down, and that they're capturing the wash water, so there's not enough to fall back down into the washer. The drain loop detached from the tub, or a bad drain connection. And I'm going to flip this over just to make sure there's nothing else. Oh yes, there's more here. Are you still in focus? It says water leaking from dishwasher is a possibility. Fill valve or water line plugged with debris. Overfill switch stuck in overfill position. Or the dishwasher's not level. Or there's an electrical problem with the valve, fill valve. So right now it is running a test mode. We're going to go through all the functions of the machine. We put it in the diagnostic. We're going to let it complete that. In the meantime, I'm going to look underneath, just see if I can, some of the simple things leaking, such as things like that, I can verify if that's happening or not. I'm just going to open up one of the problems it says for our error. Could be a motor issue, a low water, a sudsing problem, or something with the float. So I'm going to check the float because that's the easiest thing to check at this point. I'll open the door. I'm going to slide our basket out. And our float is here, so I'm just going to listen. It moves up and down freely. I can hear the switch engaging, so I'm going to rule that out as a possibility. I'm going to close it up. Next one I'm going to check is our water level. So I'm just going to start it up like normal. Hit start. Let it fill up, and then once I hear it spraying around as it's starting to wash, I'll open it up and check the water level. Alright, so it just finished filling, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. I want to check how much water, and we got plenty of water up here by the float, so I know that it's not a filling issue. There are no suds in here currently, so we don't have an over sudsing issue. So according to the error code, the last option it can be is the main wash motor. Thank you for watching another quality in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.